Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down right away to access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, just click on Text Correction, scroll down a bit, and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!